Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how you can create your own zip folder in your Mac. So all you need is first the files which you like to put into the zip folder. So I have an audio file and a PNG image here. I'll just put it into a zip folder. So first step is to select the files which you like to put it into the zip folder. I have selected the audio file and the PNG as you can see here. I just use my mouse. You can just select it one by one by using the command function or whatever you have. So just select the files and then just right click and you will see here an option compress. So if you just click on compress, you will have a new zip folder here inside which you can get these files. If you want, you can also rename this by just right clicking on the folder and you will see here option rename. Just click on it and now you can just put any name that you want for the zip folder and hit on return. So that's it. This is how you need to create a zip folder in your Mac. I hope you'll find this useful.